Go ahead, Robbie, get on over there. Don't be afraid. They only sting once, then they die.
We just about got the second box combed out. A frame or two on the sides that they don't.
Oh, you're already switching them out.
One. This one's going to take some cleaning. Wow. There's that queen. Queenie, where are you? Oops, I'm not supposed to do that.
Yeah.
Where are you, Queenie? Boy, there's a lot of colonies. Oh man, there's more queen cells. I do not see a queen.
Yeah, but it could be on the bottom. And all you got is one box.
Yeah.
Oh, Robbie. Wow. Look at all them bees. I'm helping you look. One just hit me in the arm.
What's with the earwigs?
I don't know.
Huh?
Like earwigs.
Yeah, they gather around the corners and crap. Yeah, I gotta clean this honey off here too. So I found out what I was doing wrong with the frames. I need to squish them all together rather than space them.
Oh.
Because that's why they're building in between.
Oh.
These things are designed to be exact the right distance apart
Oh.
when they're touching.
Uh-huh.
So they've actually built. Oh, hand me that brush, will you? You gotta brush these guys off.
I think I'll get out of here now. Not really dressed for this.
Here,
What?
Set that over there somewhere, just like over there on the pallet. Actually, just hold that one. I'm gonna grab you another one.
What is that? Wax?
Yeah. This is nice, clean stuff.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's pretty clean.
Just kind of let it fall over there on a clean part of the pallet.
Where? Oh, over here?
No, on something that.
Oh, right there, Robbie. Flip that lid over.
Flip the lid over.
That little red lid, you can stick it on top of that. This thing's like zoomed in or something weird.
Shoot, there's another queen cell.
You just threw wax.
Are you shooting a movie?
Yes, I am. I'm doing a video.
Cool.
I'm a little close, though. They got a little blurry. Woo! Look at all them bees. Yeah. Happy bees. Getting a new box.
First box.
Now what are you gonna, how are you gonna, oh, you're gonna take that one and paint that one and then replace that. Okay. I see how that
First box
works.
is done.
Oh, you got a bee on you. Robbie's got a bee on his glove.
Here's another box.
You don't have another box. Is it stinging you?
Doesn't look like it.
Oh, I used the shallow box right there. Crap.